In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix X not logging in after update. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Now check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can disconnect to Wi-Fi. Give a first restart to your router and then rejoin it. Next up, go to General. Go to VPN and Device Management. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it. Likewise, head back. Now navigate to the option iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find X and launch it. Click on Upload app, confirm it, then wait for a few seconds and then click on Reinstall app. This removes temporary files without deleting your account data. Lastly, check the server status of X. For that, navigate to the website like Town Detector, type in X and search for it. If you found out any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. With these, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.